Okay, so once you've incorporated all of the flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt into the egg shortening, butter, and sugar mixture, and it's all stirred together, it should look something like this. It's going to be a little sticky, but just make sure all of the flour is incorporated into it. Your next step is that you're going to make the cinnamon and sugar mixture that you're going to roll the dough around in. The difference between sugar cookies and snickerdoodle cookies, the major difference is that a snickerdoodle cookie has cinnamon and sugar rolled around on the outside, whereas a sugar cookie does not. So to make your cinnamon and sugar mixture, you're going to have a bowl. Okay? And I'm going to take the sugar, and you are going to get 1/4 of a cup of sugar, level it off, and then you're going to take the cinnamon, and you're going to get 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. One, two. The sugar aside. And you're going to stir together the cinnamon and sugar. So it looks like that. Now, you are not incorporating the dough. You're not pouring this into the batter, into the cookie batter. You are rolling it around. So someone always messes that up. So just remember that. You're going to take a cookie sheet, which will already be laid out for you. And then you are going to take parchment paper. And parchment paper is like wax paper, but it does not have the wax coating on it. Wax paper, you put it in the oven, it will melt to your cookies and be disgusting. This will not. So make sure you know the difference between wax paper and parchment paper. I still have the parchment paper already laid out for you. Tear off the parchment paper. And we're going to begin making cookies. Okay, so you're going to take your dough, and you're going to take a little bit at a time, and you're going to gently roll it into a ball. Now, it's not going to be big at all. It's going to be about a 1/2 inch in size, and then you're going to take that, and you're going to drop it into the cinnamon and sugar mixture. And then you're going to set it on the pan. Now, rather than boring you with making all of these, I'm just going to pause it, and I'll show you my finished product.